braving the heat, braving all the sweat. She still looks beautiful, and here in this crowded pandal, it's lovely to meet you and the Ganpati together. Though it's hard work, I can see.
Look who's talking, the most beautiful journalist I can see, I have in front of me. And of course, I mean, I've admired your profession as well. But yes, this is wonderful to be here at GSB Seva Mandal, King Circle. Brings back my childhood memories. I've been coming here since a kid.
You've been quite a spiritual person always. I remember discussing this with you. How do you celebrate? Do you every year celebrate Ganpati? And how is your way of celebrating Ganpati? I mean, following the norms, not following the norms?
Every year, although we don't keep Ganesh Chaturthi in our house, we do a small Ganesh Puja where the family gets together and there are special preparations. In fact, this time also, I really admired my mom and that generation, you know, like the women there, however professionally inclined they are, they still make that effort to go into the kitchen and guide the maid, and okay, they made these modaks and all. It was awesome.
But now do you think life has become a little difficult when you want to have the little one-on-one with Ganpati ji? You still have people shouting, Amrita, we want a picture, Amrita, we want a... And you have people guiding you and guarding you. I think do you miss that little privacy that you get with Ganpati before?
No, I think, you know, you should take everything that happens in life in the positive stride. So I just feel, I always tell him that, look, I feel so proud and so happy and so blessed that you have given me such a lovely VVIP darshan.
Absolutely. So, this साल क्या special मांगा अग्निता ने? You had a very good year. Satyagraha did well. You had great reviews for that. You have a lot of interesting projects, you know, in the pipeline. तो कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मांगा आपने गणपति से?
मैंने मतलब मैं क्या इससे ज़्यादा क्या मांगूँ? साल की शुरुआत Jolly LLB was a huge hit. Satyagraha is a huge hit. So I'm just basking in that positivity right now.
Absolutely. On that note, since we are talking about Satyagraha, I'm sure you're kind of satisfied with the kind of reviews that you got?
It was a very, very tough role for me. A lot of varied graft, like I said. Working with Mr. Bachchan all the time under Prakash ji's direction was very, very difficult. I think for me, the satisfaction here, the larger satisfaction here was to do a film which I'm proud of.
And on that note, you're soon going to give us competition. I believe you're now very enthusiastically taken over the journalist role for your next, with Sunny Deol again, of course. The entire experience.
Of course, I mean, I think I realize the challenges of being a female journo even more now, because just the fact that, you know, I was out and you actually had to scream my name to get my attention, and then you coordinated this interview. I actually got reminded of my scene that I was dubbing yesterday, you know, where I'm like, sir, please, sir, मैं बहुत देर से wait कर रही हूँ, मेरा interview बाकी है. So it's just amazing how you girls do it.
As a journalist, questions that you would never ask, and the questions you always ask.
Questions I would never ask is, आप शादी कब कर रहे हो? Because actually as heroines we get it all the time, trust me. And recently I've been flooded with people asking me, आपकी शादी हुई है क्या? Which is like, what? So yeah.
As a journalist, if you had a particular question to Amrita Rao, that question at the moment would be?
कि आपको अभी perhaps किस तरह के roles करने हैं? Which is the dream role that you want to do?
और अमृता का आंसर क्या है?
I'd love to bring the golden era back in cinema, I mean in today's generation. I've always been fascinated by the black and white films and the leading ladies, the way they dress, the costume drama. I'd like to recreate that in today's generation.
What kind of decisions do you think that our country should be taking? How can we fight this heinous crimes that are being committed against women?
You know, I just feel that, I've always said this, that the money of this country, we are not a poor country. We're an extremely well-to-do country.
Correct.
But the money is not going to the right people who deserve it. So, I recently heard a politician say that, or reveal that there were more than 200 crores sanctioned for the upliftment of rape-victimized women, but the money did not go to them.
Absolutely.
So this is devastating, you know. We should learn from countries like Singapore, who are considered the safest countries in the world, in the world for women.
If exes had to work together, which a lot of them are today, what do you think? Do you think it kind of works for them?
I'm sure it must be very difficult. Definitely, because you're human somewhere and you have those pent-up emotions. I don't know. I really admire actresses who choose to work with their ex in a movie.
Absolutely. I'll end it by asking you, first of all, it always takes a lot of courage to try different things. what is one thing that now that Amrita wants to do in life besides the fact that you're already acting and do your kind of movies?
I think if I could influence women to somehow, be self-sufficient, to be self-educated.
There you are, Amrita Rao, Rudranin Chotraj with camera person Harishankar Pandey. Zoom.